We have our next caller on the line. Parbodh Seth has called in. How can we help you?
Yeah. Hello, I'm from New Delhi. Actually, I had booked a flat in Logix Blossom County, Sector 137.
Okay.
And in 2010. And I was given to know that in 18 months, I'll get the possession, and with an extension of 6 months. So now that was in 2012. Now it is going 2016. So far, no possession is given to me. After every 3 or 6 months, they keep on increasing the date. And there's no authority whom I can report to because nobody is there to help me. What do I do?
What can he do? He's stuck in a project that has been delayed for over 6 years. 4 years, in fact, if you count the date of possession, which is 2012. What can Parbodh do now?
It's a typical case of delay, so you'll have to analyze as to what's the reason for the delay, and you'll have to call upon the developer to honor the agreement, in failing which he'll have to approach the courts.
Okay, and if he does approach the courts, Nirav, how does he really, prepare for approaching the courts? Obviously, there is paperwork that he can use to kind of beef up his case over here. What can he do?
So what he needs to do is first and foremost, he needs to check the agreement and the clauses and the consequences of breach of the obligations of the party. After analyzing that, he must see how much amount of money he has paid and that he has honored all the commitment that has been on his part. After that, he should write a letter to the developer seeking an explanation for the reason for delay. If there is a compensation that has already been prescribed in the agreement, then that is very important because you might be bound by that. So that also must be analyzed. After you have seen these particular clauses and done your fact in check, then you must write to the developer calling upon him to say what is the actual reason for the delay. If the actual reason for the delay is justified and forming part of the agreement, then you might have to change your course of action and maybe ask for compensation pending the delivery of the flat. In the event the delay is not justified and there's some evasive response, then you must develop your case by writing more correspondence and then approach the court.
So essentially what he's saying is you need a lot of paperwork before you actually approach the court. There has to be a paper trail that you can establish, and the more homework you have on your side, it makes your case all that more stronger, which is why we keep saying over here that some of the things that you need to keep in mind when you set out to buy property. File every scrap of paper that the developer gives you. This could be the receipts, this could be the brochures that they give you, the flyers that you get. Everything can be used in court if you do end up in court against the developer, right, Nirav?
That's right.
So build your case from day one. God forbid you have to go to court, then you will have all the paperwork in place, and it'll make it that much more easier for you to seek compensation, to seek your right as a home buyer.
One of the most important part would be that you need to be very vigilant. I mean, if there's a possession date of 2012 and you come for the first time in 2016, the first question that will be asked you, what did you do for 4 years? So that's a very, very long period of time. So if you remain silent for 4 years, that means you also slept away your rights for a long period of time. That is something that should be avoided.
Right. So essentially, you have to be vigilant as a home buyer. Start a legal correspondence if the project is delayed even by a month.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.